Hey guys, it's Sydney. So if you want to make 1K online, you can sell 10 products, 100 each, or you can just like me, I sell the ultimate branding course and I made 2 sales, 500 each right here, and you can see I have my first $1,000 day with the ultimate branding course right here. And as you can see, this is from system.io and I cannot fake it. Okay, I can reload it for you to see this is all real. And the best part is happening today. As you see, this is 15 hours ago and this is 14 hours ago. And of course, I can share with you, this is my PayPal. I hide my customer name for privacy, but you can see here at 7:16 and 5:55. And the gross sale, as you can see, this is 1K. I have to pay some fee for PayPal, but it's alright. It's still my best day. So I bought UBC one time and I can resell it for multiple times. The potential earnings is unlimited. You can do that too, guys. This course is going viral on Instagram right now and it works. You just need to put in the work, okay? Spend your time because nothing is easy, especially if you are a beginner. But at the end of the day, you will look back and be proud of yourself. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at contact@workwithsydney.com. This is Sydney from workwithsydney.com. See you at the top. Bye.